Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to convert text dates into real date values in Google Sheet. If this video helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Sometimes when you import data from other sources, the dates show up as plain text, and that breaks sorting, filtering, or date formulas. Let's fix that. First, check if your dates are really text. Click on one, and if it's left aligned and doesn't change when you apply a date format, it's text, not a real date. To convert it, the easiest way is to use the DATEVALUE function in the new column. Type equal DATEVALUE bracket A2, assuming the text date is in cell A2. If the format is standard like 1/1/2025, this will instantly convert it into a real date. After that, you can format the cell as date from the format menu. If the text date is in weird format like January 1, 2025 or 2025-0101, you can still use DATEVALUE, or better, you should try equal array formula. You can see this is the formula. Once your dates are real, sorting and formulas will work perfectly. This is for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, then consider subscribing and liking the video.